Hi learners, this is Gayatri and today we are going to learn the effective use of using SUMIF and SUMIFS. So having a look here, if is used in case you have a single criteria. If S is used in case you have multiple criterias. So going forward, if you just have a look at the database which is on the left side, I have a different department, salary, location, out of which I have made up one question which says sum up the salaries for the employees of Boston. So I just want to sum up the salaries for people who are working in Boston. So since it's one criteria, I'm going to go forward or continue with SUMIF because SUMIF is used when you have a single criteria. So here I type in equal to SUMIF bracket open. Understanding these three parameters would give you the entire gist of the formula. Range, the first parameter is asking you for range. So range is in which range does your criteria fall. So since our criteria is Boston, the range would be the location. And here I select location, comma. Next, it asks you for the criteria. Since the range is location, the criteria would be something from the location, which is Boston, and I select F6. As you can see, the reason for selecting F6 would be told later. Put a comma. Next, the third one is asking you for some range. So you want to sum up Boston for which range or for which numeric column. So which is of course salary. You want to see the total sum of salary which goes to Boston, close bracket, and hit enter. So you can see the sum of salary that goes to Boston is 7,900. So this is the efficacy of SUMIF wherein you can just select one of the criteria and sum up a numeric column. Going forward to if S, as stated here, if S is used for multiple criteria. So having a look at the question right here, sum up the salaries of employees working at Cambridge in the marketing department. So here if you see, we fall into two criteria, which is Cambridge, as we have a lot of locations, and second is marketing, as we have people working in different departments, but we want to sum up the salaries who are working at the location Cambridge and in the marketing department only. So we have narrowed down to two criteria, Cambridge and marketing. Hence we quickly put here equal to SUMIFS bracket open. Now there is a little reverse category of parameters here. It first asks you for some range. So some range should intentionally strike you that which numeric column do you want to sum. So we go with the salary column as we want to find out the salary of people working, sum of the salary of people working in Cambridge in the marketing department. Next, it asks you for range 1 followed by criteria 1. So you have to select the range where your criteria is present. Since our first range or criteria is Cambridge, we would select the location, the entire location column, because range is a series of cells. Hence, we select the entire range of location as Cambridge falls under location. Next, it prompts you for criteria 1. Criteria 1 is something from range 1, which is Cambridge. Put a comma. Next, we move forward to range 2. Range 2 will be something where your criteria 2 falls in. So, marketing is your criteria 2 and marketing falls in the department range. Hence, we select the entire department column, comma, and criteria 2 will be something from the range 2, which is the department column, which is marketing, and we select the marketing which is on the left side, which is exactly F8, close bracket, and we hit enter here. We see that the sum of salary who are working in the location Cambridge for marketing department is 22K. So this is the difference between SUMIF and SUMIFS. SUMIF works if you have one criteria and SUMIFS works when you have multiple criteria. And just for you to know, SUMIFS criteria we here have taken 2, but it can go up to 129 criteria. So thank you folks for listening to this video. If you have any questions, any queries, please ping down on the message box or in the comment box. I would surely get back to you. Do like, subscribe this video and also comment. Thank you so much.